5 Steps to Manifest Financial Abundance. Achieving financial success is not only a desire but a necessity in your life that you should strive for. It affects your happiness, your family, and even your longevity in life. In order for you to achieve financial freedom and success, it is absolutely essential for you to train your mind to develop healthy ideas about money. Money, in its simplest form, is just an exchange of value for time, service, and energy. Let's shift your money mindset and drop everything you thought you knew. Here are 5 steps to manifest financial abundance in your life starting today. 1. Fine-tune your definition of money. For many, money is simply that thing in their lives that they can't seem to get enough of but need desperately so they can pay their bills, until their next paycheck that is. For others, money is a sensitive topic that they avoid discussing at all costs, mostly due to insecurities and little success with it. In order to improve your relationship with money, you must first fine-tune your definition of it. Money is, in its simplest form, just an exchange of value for time, service, or energy. What you do with it after you've exchanged your service or time is up to you. When you think of money in this definition, you can start to become more creative about accumulating wealth. What services can you deliver in exchange for value, or money? What can you put your energy into that people will pay you for in return? By having a healthy definition of money versus a bad one, you can begin to transform the way you relate to money in every aspect of your life. Money is not evil. When used properly and with good intentions, it can bring you happiness and fulfillment. 2. From spending to saving. Before you continue any further, it is absolutely necessary for you to get your finances in order. How do you do this? Simple. You save your money. If you're currently in debt, or even if you're not but don't have a healthy relationship with money, the first step toward manifesting financial abundance is to learn how to save your money instead of spending. Of course, you're going to have monthly financial obligations such as rent and utilities, but start thinking about the other ways you spend your money every month. Do you get a latte from Starbucks every morning? Are you eating out for lunch every day? Before you begin to invest and think about ways to make more money, it's important to create a healthy habit of saving and spending your money wisely. 3. Get out of your comfort zone. Once you've developed healthy habits with money, get out of your comfort zone. Time to switch things up and go for what you want. Remember this, you 100% deserve to be happy with where or how you make your living. Want a raise? Ask your boss for it or find a new job. If you have a brilliant business idea in mind, now's the time to get started on it. If you want to increase your income and get to the next level of financial success, you need to change things up. 4. Be specific with your money. It's an amazing feeling to pay off debt, save money, and increase your earnings. But if you don't have a clear purpose for your money, it's easy to fall off track and end up right where you started. Have a clear idea of where your money is going every month. An easy way to do this is to set up automatic transfers or savings or payments in your bank accounts. This way, money automatically goes where it needs to every month and you never have to do a thing. 5. No more mediocrity. No more excuses. Financial abundance isn't one of the things that are just meant for some people. Instead, it is earned by those who decide they want it and take massive action toward their dreams. If you've been telling yourself that you don't deserve to be successful and wealthy, you're right. But think about this, if you tell yourself that you do deserve to and will be successful and wealthy, you're also right. The choice is yours. Sure, we're all born to different environments. But you have the freedom to choose your mindset. Go for a mindset of no limitations. Decide to strive for financial abundance, and soon it'll be yours.